In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and work inside your marketing team space in Wrike. First, open Wrike and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main workspace, look for your marketing team space in the left-hand navigation panel. This space is where all your marketing-related folders, projects, and tasks are stored. Go ahead and click into that marketing team area so you can see the main table view with all of your items. On this screen, you'll see several highlighted areas that guide how you interact with your projects. Start by moving your cursor to the highlighted section at the top or side of the table. This is typically where you can switch between folders or views. Click on the first highlighted area to open up the relevant folder or project group. This helps narrow down what you're seeing so you're only looking at what's relevant to your current work. Next, follow the highlights one by one. Each highlighted element is drawing your attention to a control or filter that changes what appears in the table. As you click the next highlight, you might be expanding a folder, switching to a different subfolder, or revealing additional project groups. Continue clicking each highlighted area to drill deeper into the structure of your marketing team workspace. At one point, you'll see a highlighted item with a placeholder name. Click on that to open a specific folder or project. This is just an example name in the guide, but in your own Wrike setup, you'll see meaningful labels for campaigns, channels, or clients. Keep following the next highlight to move further into that structure, then another highlight to open yet another nested folder or view. The idea is that you're navigating from a high-level marketing team overview down into more detailed subsections. You'll then reach a highlighted control related to filters. Click on the section that's currently set to show Only Active. This filter ensures that completed or archived items are hidden so you can focus on what still needs attention. If you change this filter later, remember that it can affect which tasks or projects you see in the table. Next, you'll see a context menu highlighted. Click on it, then choose the Rename option from the menu. This allows you to change the name of a folder, project, or view so it better reflects how your team actually works. Type the new name that makes sense for you, then confirm it. Finally, you may see a message that says there's nothing to show here. That simply means the current folder or filter combination doesn't have any visible items. If that happens, double-check your filters or switch to a different folder in the marketing team space until you see the tasks and projects you expect.